Good morning, children. Children, today we shall continue with the chapter 2.5. Let's march. This is video 3. And you remember we spoke on about the author Kailash Satyarthi, born in 1954. Okay, I'm not going to repeat everything about him because we've done it in the last class. But very important to remember that he founded the Bachpan Bachao Andolan, okay, in 1980. And he has not protected only the children of India, but children all over the world, okay. And of course, I've shown you a video on this young Pakistani girl, just 17 years old, who became a very powerful personality, okay, for the Pakistani girls, okay, education. And she also got the Nobel Prize in the same year, in 2014. And we finished up with the first 2 paras. The meanings was given to you. I hope you have written it down in your notebook, children, and you have started studying. So let's move on. Now, one more thing I wanted to tell you, what I didn't tell you yesterday, was when we were introducing, okay, when he started off with the speech, he said, members of the Norwegian's Nobel Committee, dear brother Tom Harkin. Now, I want you to know who is this man, Tom Harkin, okay? Now, you know, for the Nobel Prize or for any prize distribution, you have nominations. Like for the school, when we have to appoint the leaders, we have nominations, right? And then whoever gets the maximum vote is the one who gets the, okay, becomes the leader. So here we have this man, Tom Harkin. He is the one who nominates. Okay, so he nominated who? Kailash Satyarthi. Okay, so please remember him. He is a very important personality, okay, in the Nobel Peace Prize. And of course, we spoke about Malala. You already know that, okay. And we know that he spoke about a mantra, okay, a mantra. Now, what is the mantra? I said we will do it today. The mantra is, let's walk together. In the pursuit of global progress, not a single person should be left out or left behind in any corner of the world, from east to west, from south to north. Now, in this world of competition, you know, children, all of us want to be first. Even if it means dropping somebody or pushing somebody or, you know, by wrong means, we want to be first. But here, what is Kailash Satyarthi saying? What is the mantra? We should walk together, not leaving anybody behind. And in the pursuit of, what is the meaning of pursuit of global progress? Pursuit ka matlab chase. We are all chasing, no? We are all running something behind something, okay? So in this pursuit, not a single person should be left out or left behind. सबको include करना है और सबको पीछे नहीं आगे करना है, साथ में लेना है, okay? In any corner of the world. So from east to west, from south to north. So you see, Kailash, he was not working only for the Indian children, but all over the world he was saving the children. He wanted to save them, okay? So let's speak together. If somebody is standing and telling the truth, you know, children, stand with him or her. If somebody is telling lies, don't stand with them. Many a times what we do, we stand with people who are telling lies and who are powerful, but they are liars. Don't do that. Let's speak together. Let our minds come together, learning from the experiences of our ancestors. Let us together create knowledge for all that benefits all. So let us learn from the experiences of our ancestors. Experience. Now, who are the ancestors? Ancestors are those who are our forefathers, our grandfathers, okay? They are more experienced now. Yes or no? So when they are more experienced, shouldn't we be learning from them? So learning from the experience of our ancestors. Let us together create knowledge for all that benefits all. Now, knowledge is something that you and I, as human beings, we have. and we can create, no, ideas. But we can even have bad ideas. Always, if there is good, there is also bad. So what we have to do? Create knowledge which will benefit all. जो सबका फायदा हो. That is important. Okay, not just thinking of yourself. So, what does he say? I bow to my late parents, to my motherland, India, and to the mother earth. I bow means he's giving respect to his late parents. Late means his parents are no more. Okay, they have died. But he gives respect to them. See, this man is a man, who has some dignity. No, he is a man of character. And he wants to even give respect to the motherland, India. He's gone to a foreign land. Where has he gone now to get his award? To Norway. But he is talking about his country, okay? And that also with respect. And to the mother earth. Okay? Earth, God has made. So he is giving respect even to God, okay? With a warm heart, I recall how thousands of times I have been liberated. Each time I have freed a child from slavery. So he's saying I recall means when I remember thousands of times, okay, he has liberated. Liberated means set free, okay. Who he has set free? Children, no? Thousands of times. And every time when he has set the child free, what happens? He has felt as if he is free. Isn't it? Many a times you think, when you do something good, you may not get a reward, but deep down you feel happy. Yes or no? That you had done it. That itself is one gift to you, no? Ekini? So, in the same way he is saying that. And in the first smile of freedom on their beautiful faces. Their beautiful faces means kiska face pe? On the children's face, no? When the children are free, they will be happy. There is a joy on their face. There is a smile on their face. So when he sees that smile, what does he see? I see the God smiling. So whenever he sees the children smiling, he feels as if all the gods are smiling. Okay? I give the biggest credit for this honor to my movement's Kalu Kumar, Doomdas, and Adarsh Kishore from India, and Iqbal Masih from Pakistan, who made the supreme sacrifice for protecting the freedom and dignity of children. Now, this man is a great personality, I must tell you, because he's gone to Norway to get the Nobel Peace Prize, okay? But he is not taking the credit. अपना खुद का तारीफ नहीं कर रहे हैं. He is giving the credit to other people, okay? Now, the names of these people are Kalu Kumar, Doomdas, and Adarsh Kishore. They are from India, and one is from Pakistan. His name is Iqbal Masih. Now, why he is giving them credit, children? Because these are the people who worked with him. He didn't work alone. Though he took the leadership, but these were the people who were with him, okay? And they fought with him. Wherever he went, they were with him for protecting the freedom and dignity. Dignity means self-respect of children. So, I humbly accept this award on behalf of all such martyrs. Now, let me tell you, all these people that he spoke about, they are no more. They are all dead. They are martyrs, my fellow activists across the world and my countrymen. So he wants to give the credit to these people, these martyrs, and his fellow activists, means those who are working with him across the world, and even his country, my countrymen. Okay. Now I've got some pictures here to understand who these personalities are. I'm sure you know who he is. Okay. You already know the author, okay? Kailash Satyarthi. And he has written something in his hand. I don't know whether you can read it, but it's a little it's not so clear, but I'll read it for you. It says, freedom, okay? Freedom is non-negotiable, okay? Freedom is non-negotiable. What does it mean? Now, I'll give you an example to understand the statement. Suppose somebody tells you, listen, I'm going to put you inside a room. I'm going to tie you up. You're not going to move anywhere. I'll give you everything that you want. You want the mobile, you want the TV, you want chocolates, you want this, that, I'll give you everything. But no freedom. Will you be happy? Maybe for a few days you'll have, you'll say, wow, wow, very nice teacher, maja aayega. But not for many days, children. You feel you want the freedom. Today we have the lockdown. Many of you are waiting when you'll move out with your friends. Some of you are already moving out, okay? I can sense it with your friends, but be careful. So, freedom is non-negotiable. You cannot substitute it with anything else, children. We all want freedom. So you can't say negotiable means you can't say, okay, you give me this, I will give you my freedom. Nahi hota waisa, okay? So that is what he's trying to say. Children also want freedom. Now, which are the personalities here? You tell me, looking at the picture, I'm sure you will be able to identify. He is Kalu Kumar here. He is no more, but I would like you to go on the, Google and listen to his testimony, children. I heard his testimony. It's very sad testimony. So it's a very young boy, very brave fellow. Okay, so you can hear about him. You can listen to his testimony. Here we have Adarsh Kishore. Here we have Iqbal Masih, and this is Doomdas. Okay, so here you can have some pictures about this man, great personality. Look at him with all the children around him. Wow, the price of free. No, when you are free. So you see the children, they are so happy with them, right? And of course, you have some more meanings. This is all the meanings that were earlier children given to you. I'll just read it. Dignity is self-respect. Pursuit is the action of pursuing someone or something. Means chasing, okay, following. Ancestors, I told you, a forefather, elder, or a forebear is a parent, grandparent, great-grandparent, great-great-grandparent, and so on. Then you have liberated, is free from social conventions or traditional ideas. Slavery, a condition of having to work very hard without proper remuneration or appreciation. Now, what I want to tell you is you don't have all these meaning in your textbook, but I put some meaning so that you can understand, because some of you may not know the meanings of these words, okay? So what is in your textbook is more important, but if you want to know the meanings of the other words and learn them, nothing, there's no harm, no? You can always learn them because you'll understand it better. Therefore, I put the meanings of other words also, okay, children? Now, there's one more message that I want to, a question that I want to put across. If you look at this picture, you can look, there's all different forms of child labor going on here. No? There's one face of this girl, and I don't know whether you can come to know, she's going through a lot, okay, looking at just the eyes of this girl. No? Look at this boy. He's full of tears. What is the caption here? We see many things happening around in the world. We know everything. God has given us that sense, no? When we see, when we know these things are happening, we can understand. We know everything, but we stay calm. Calm means, kuch nahi bolte, khamosh rehte hum log, okay? So, are we humans? Are we humans? What is the difference between animal and this? Animals also sometimes, no, the dog will come and save you if they see somebody attacking you. So are we humans? If we are seeing all this happening and we are going to be quiet, that's a question I'm going to leave you with, children. Think about it. Are there things like this happening around your world? What can you do about it? First, we need to pray, no doubt about it. But we need to take some action. There are assignments given to you. You already have the meaning, children. Start learning them. Do the assignment. I hardly give you 3 or 4, sentences. Do that. Complete all the earlier assignments. I keep telling you because some of you have still not done the earlier assignments. God bless you. Take care of yourself.